What's going on, guys? Today we're kicking off something brand new that to my knowledge has never been done before on YouTube. I'm creating a contest called Guess the Move that's open to anyone. You don't have to be a subscriber, just anyone who watches my videos can participate. And you're going to be able to win cool prizes like digital chess clocks, triple weighted sets, books, things like that. And here's how this competition is going to work. There's going to be a link in the description below the video. When you click on that, it's going to take you to a quiz. And the quiz is going to have several different positions, similar to the one that you see on the screen. And your task is very simple. You have to guess what move was played next in the game. Now, keep in mind, this is not the best move. This is what was actually played in the game. And you're going to get a couple of clues. You'll get the ratings of each player. What was White's rating? What was Black's rating? You'll get the time control for the game. And you'll get what platform they played on. So in this position on the screen right now, White's rating is 641, Black's rating is 693, and they were playing a 5-minute blitz game, and this is on Lichess. So as you can see, White has just played the move c3, and your task is to guess what did Black play next. And these are going to be multiple choice, and the choices are knight to f6, pawn to d5, bishop to c5, pawn to c5, and queen takes e5. Which of those moves do you think Black played next? And by the way, if you're wondering, the move that was actually played, c5. So if you said, queen takes e5, just taking the free knight, you would be wrong. And that actually brings me to an important point. You don't have to be a high-rated player to win this competition because you're not having to guess the best moves. You're just having to guess what was played next in the game. And the quizzes are going to have lots of different positions from different rated players, low-rated players, intermediate players, maybe a couple of high-rated players. It's going to be all over the place to give everybody a chance to win this thing. You're also going to be asked the question, what was the result of the game? So did White win, did Black win, or was it a draw? And if you get that correct, you get some bonus points as well. And by the way, if you're wondering, White actually won this game. Black ran out of time. Now, this competition is going to take place over 4 different episodes. So there will be 4 different quizzes that you have to participate in, and the sum of all those quizzes, whoever has the most points, will win. Now, this brings me to an important point. When you click on the link and are taken to the quiz, it's going to ask for your email. You have to use the same exact email address every time you participate, or your scores won't sum together and you probably won't win the competition. So make sure you use the exact same email. Now, in addition to the email, you need to put a nickname. The nickname is what people will actually publicly see. So as we go through the season, I'm going to be tracking who's in the lead, and that's where the nickname comes in. I'm not showing anybody's personal email address, but I will show the nickname that you choose, just so we can keep track of who's winning and who's gaining ground and that kind of thing. So feel free to do whatever you want with the nickname. You can change it from week to week if you want, although I recommend keeping it the same so people can know who you are. But really, it's up to you. The email is what has to stay the same. So if you're wondering when this starts, the answer is right now. That link that I was talking about in the description, it's down there right now. You can just go click on it and take the quiz. While we're talking about links down there, I'm also going to be linking the official rules for the contest down there. This is something that YouTube requires me to do, so you can click on that. Make sure you read those, and just know that YouTube is not involved in this contest in any way, so please don't reach out to them. Don't try to sue them. This is Chess Vibes' thing, and that's pretty much it. YouTube's not involved. I just have to say that, I think, legally. Anyway, hope you guys are as excited about this as I was creating it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Even if you don't, do it for the competition aspect, you don't really care about winning the prizes, I think it's going to be a lot of fun to see these games and what moves people actually played, as well as keep track of who's in the lead and see how that changes from week to week. If I didn't make anything clear or you have questions on how this works, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer those. But yeah, good luck to everyone in the first episode. Like I said, link is below. So if you haven't already, go ahead, click that and jump right in. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, take care.